Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Git LFS for large files in GitHub, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Git LFS for large files in GitHub, start by installing Git LFS on your machine. Visit the Git LFS official website to download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions specific to your OS to complete the setup. Once installed, open your command line interface. Run the command git lfs install to initialize Git LFS in your environment. Navigate to your existing Git repository or create a new one. To track large files, use the command git lfs track followed by the file type you want to manage. For example, to track all PNG files, type git lfs track *.png. This command modifies the .git attributes file in your repository to register the specified file types. Next, add the modified .git attributes file to your staging area. Run git add .git attributes to ensure the tracking configuration is committed. Now, add your large files to the staging area as you normally would. Use git add file name for each large file you want to include. Once your files are staged, commit them with a meaningful commit message. Run git commit m add large files with LFS tracking to finalize the commit. Next, push your changes to your GitHub repository. Use the command git push origin branch name to upload your files. Git LFS will automatically manage the large files during this process. After pushing, visit your GitHub repository to confirm that the large files are correctly uploaded. Remember that using Git LFS may incur storage and bandwidth limits on GitHub. Consider reviewing Git LFS pricing plans if your project will require extensive use. With these steps, you have successfully activated Git LFS for large files in GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.